In the previous video, we have seen how to copy the elements of one array into another array using system.ArrayCopy method. So this is completed. In this video, we will see how to copy the elements of one array into another array using Arrays.copyOf method. In the previous videos, we have seen how to use object.clone method and system.ArrayCopy method to copy the elements of one array into another array. In this video, we will see Array.copyOf method. So this Array.copyOf method takes two arguments. The first argument is the source array. The second argument is the number of elements that should be copied from the source array to target array. Let's say I have a string array here. So string ARR1 equals to Subbu, Selenium, Java, tutorials. So this is an array I have, and I have defined another array. So let's say string ARR2 equals to new string of 4. So this is another array. Now I want to copy the elements of ARR1 into ARR2 using Array.copyOf method. And since this Array.copyOf method takes two arguments, the first argument is the source array. In this case, it becomes ARR1. And second is the number of elements I want to copy. So the number of elements, let's say here I have 4 elements and I want to copy only 3 elements. Then I can say 3 here. And how do we assign these values to the second array? So what we can do is ARR2 equals to ARR array dot copy of. So the first one is the source ones ARR1 comma number of elements I want to copy is 3. So this is how we can use Array.copyOf method to copy the elements of one array into another array. Let's see this one more time. Copying the elements of one array into another array. In the previous video, we have seen how to copy the elements of one array into another array using object.clone method and using system.ArrayCopyOf method. In this video, we will see how to use Array.copyOf method to copy the elements of one array into another array. The Array.copyOf method takes two arguments. The first one is the source argument and second one is the number of elements that should be copied from the source array. Let's say we have two arrays here. One is ARR1, which is Subbu, Selenium, Java, tutorials, and the second array I have declared and instantiated this one. Now I want to copy the elements of this array. So the source array becomes ARR1 in this case, and the number of elements I want to copy are only 3. So the second argument becomes 3. So we can write the function as ARR2 equals to Array.copyOf ARR1 comma 3. Let's see an example on this one. I am creating a new class here and the class is ArrayCopy3 and I am using main method. Click on finish and here I am creating a string array first. So string ARR1 equals to Subbu, Selenium, Java, tutorials. and I am declaring and instantiating another string array. So string arr2 equals to new string of 4. So this is the second array. Now I would like to copy the elements of the first array into second array. So arr2 is equal to arrays.copyOf. The first one is the source array. So in this case it is arr1, and the second one is the number of elements that we want to copy. Let's copy all the elements first. So it is 4. Now let's print the elements of array 2. So I will use a for each loop for string name and arr2. I will say system.out.println of name. Let's run this one. Run as Java application, and we can see that the array 2 elements are Subbu, Selenium, Java and tutorials. Now let's play with this one. So instead of 4 elements, let's copy only 2 elements. So I changed the second argument to 2. Let's run this one again. Run as Java application, and you can see that it is printing only 2 elements here, which is Subbu and Selenium. So this is how we can use Arrays.copyOf to copy the elements of one array into another array. In this video, we have seen how to use Arrays.copyOf method to copy the elements of one array into another array. If you want to download the document for this one, you can go to my repository at github.com/subbustek and then go to selenium-java-tutorials. This particular tutorial starts with 22J. So search with 22J, and this is the document Java Arrays-copying an array using Arrays.copyOf method. So you can download this document. In the next video, we will see how to copy an array using Arrays.copyOf range method.